Hello friends, welcome to IT Technology Official. Friends, today we will discuss a very amazing feature in Windows 10, Sandbox. What is a Sandbox and how we can enable Sandbox in Windows 10? I will tell you in detail, step by step. Stay with me. What is Sandbox? Windows Sandbox provide a lightweight desktop environment to safely run application in isolation. Friends, software installed inside the Windows Sandbox environment will remain sandboxed and runs separately from the host machine. A sandbox is temporarily when it closes the software, and all other things which are installed on this machine will also be deleted, and all its states are also deleted, so no work will be saved. So you need to very careful while working on Sandbox. It's a temporary environment, so you need to work like as a temporary, and you can work any testing application or do something else. And we can also say the Windows Sandbox is temporary virtual machine built in to Windows 10 and Windows 11 that allows to run software without affecting the rest of your machine or system. Friends, we must need to enable virtualization on our system before enable Sandbox feature. Virtualization is an important part of Sandbox as it runs on allocated space. It must need the virtualization feature. You have to make sure that you already enable virtualization. If you did not enable the virtualization, the Sandbox will not work properly. So you must need to enable the virtualization before enable the Sandbox. Friends, let's move how we can enable Sandbox in Windows 10. Go to search bar, type here control panel. Click on programs and features, and next turn Windows feature on or off. Search here Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox, we select this feature and click OK. Now Windows Sandbox is installing. It will take some time. Applying changes. No, Windows completed the requested changes. Now we need to reboot our system to finish the installation the requested features. Friends, the machine is restarted successfully. Now we test Sandbox. The Windows Sandbox app successfully installed. Click on open. Friends, this is the interface of Windows Sandbox. This will act as like a separate window. And seem like a separate window. We also use internet here. Now friends, internet is working fine here. You can see we open YouTube. You can watch any video or you can do anything, but you cannot save the settings. As well as you shut down or turn off the Windows Sandbox, your all settings and your data will be deleted or erased. So you must take care while working on Windows Sandbox. Friends, I hope you understand all the features and all the method used in this video. If you have any issue, you can write me in comments. Thanks. Bye.